Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer USDT from your Web3 wallet to Bybit in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDT safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring assets like a pro, saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet set up with some USDT in it. Make sure your Bybit account is verified and ready to receive funds. In 2025, crypto transfers are faster than ever, but always double-check network compatibility. USDT is often on the Ethereum or Tron network, so pick the right one for your wallet. Step 1. Open your Web3 wallet app or extension and navigate to the USDT asset. Step 2. Click on Send or Transfer and enter Bybit's deposit address. You can find this in your Bybit account under the Deposit section. Copy it carefully to avoid errors. Step 3. Select the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum-based USDT, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review everything. Double-check the address, amount, and network. Once you're good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. It should process in minutes, but keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer. Step 5. Head back to Bybit and refresh your account to see the USDT arrive. A quick word of caution. Always use official sources for addresses and be wary of phishing sites. In 2025, with advanced security features, it's easier than ever, but never transfer more than you're comfortable losing. That's it for the steps. If you follow this, you'll have your USDT in Bybit in no time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.